cooking.
Hello and welcome to Super Seren's cooking show. Today we're going to be making some light and airy butterfly cakes. Did you know butterfly wings are transparent and they taste with their feet? Let's get baking. You might need a grown-up to help you with measuring the ingredients and using the oven. To make your cupcakes you will need cupcake cases, a sieve, a big bowl, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of butter, 3 eggs, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and a mouldy banana. Ooh, put that in the bin! Okay. Make sure you preheat the oven to 170. The first thing you need to do is get the... Oh, hello Sloth.
What are you making?
I'm making butterfly cakes.
Ooh, butterfly cakes, my favourite.
Oh, good.
Can I help?
Of course you can. Right, so the first thing you have to do is you have to get your flour and put it in a sieve.
Okay.
Make sure you do this over the bowl. And then get your baking powder and put that in the sieve. And sieve them both into the bowl.
That looks pretty.
Lovely. And that just makes sure your cake isn't lumpy. And next, we put the caster sugar in. And then we put the butter in. Ooh, sticky. And then we crack the eggs in.
Ooh, can I do this bit?
Oh, of course you can. Right, hold your hands out.
Okay.
Have you got it?
I've got it.
Are you sure you've got it?
I'm sure I've got
You
it.
promise that you have it?
I promise.
Okay.
Oh, I don't got it. Oh, I'm
It's
sorry.
gone everywhere.
I'm sorry.
It's all right, Sloth. I know you tried your hardest.
Oh,
Maybe I should do the cracking of the eggs.
maybe you should.
Right, here it goes. And then you mix it all together.
Oh, can I mix it?
Yes, yeah, okay. I don't see why not.
Oh.
Yes, that's very well mixed, Sloth. Why don't you go and see if you can find any butterflies in the garden?
Butterflies? I love butterflies.
Right, now that Sloth's gone, it's going to take a little while to mix all the way in with a wooden spoon. If you have an adult handy and an electric whisk, you can do that and it'll be much quicker. Now that we've got our cupcake mixture, you need to get your cupcake cases and use them to line a cupcake tin, like this. Now, with 2 teaspoons, we're going to put the mixture into the cases. You need to fill them up about halfway. So you get 1 spoon like this, and you put it in, using the other teaspoon to scrape the mixture in. Perfect. When all your cupcake cases are filled, it's time to put them in the oven.
Ooh, can I put it in the oven?
I'm afraid not, Sloth. An adult has to put them in the oven.
Oh, never mind.
They'll take about 20 minutes to cook, but they might take less time than that, so keep a close eye on them. So while the cakes are baking, we need to make the buttercream. For this, you'll need...
Sorry.
You'll need 70 grams of butter and 140 grams of icing sugar. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You need to put these into another big bowl and just mix them together. Now they might look like they're not going to mix together at first, but keep going and I promise they will. So now we have our cooled cupcakes and our buttercream, it's time to put the wings on the butterfly. So you take a cake and very carefully unpeel the wrapping. And then you're going to cut the very top layer off. So now your cake's in half, but that's okay. Take the top layer and cut that directly down the middle. So now you have two halves. These are going to be the wings of the butterfly. Now get your buttercream, get a knife and spread a little bit over the surface of your cupcake. Now we need to put the two wings on the cake. So you have to put them in at an angle, like this. For the final touches, place your butterfly cake back into a cupcake case. And there you have it.
Ooh, that looks delicious. Can I have one?
Of course you can.